Guys, this is Brian from NFTminer.ca. Super excited for today's video, not necessarily with regards to traditional rewards and bounties, GoMining lock stuff. Okay, so today we're going to talk about liquidity pools, and this is a very specific liquidity pool video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Brian. I am the owner of NFTminer.ca. You are looking at it right now. This is my website where I consistently post content on my blog for you guys to learn from and to get educated on GoMining, the ecosystem, the opportunities that GoMining is offering us end users, the ability to mine Bitcoin without all the noise and hardware. So if you guys are here right now, there's a good chance you're here because you're learning about liquidity. But for whatever reason, if you're new, make sure to check out my link below if you are going to join GoMining. Truly appreciate your support. I am an ambassador of the program. When you guys sign up through my URL, I get a 5% commission on the sale, and then equally you get a 5% TH bonus on your first miner purchase. Okay, so it works out really great. Check out the comment section, click the link, make sure my code is in the promo box at checkout, PYZO with a front dash there with a little dash. You guys will see it in the comments, okay? All right, so today's post is specifically about liquidity. We're going to jump right over into our GoMining screen right now, guys. This is my dashboard, high-level overview for you that are just joining, new to the channel. I have 303.37 terahash. My watt cost per terahash is 15, so that's a cost to run my miners every day. And then of course I have my discounts, and if you're interested in learning about the discounts, the efficiencies, the powers, you guys go take a look at my past videos and you'll see them. Okay, now right to it. If you guys are doing liquidity with GoMining, you'll notice that the user interface is down, and I believe it's for mostly everyone. Now that puts everyone in a pretty hyper panic situation because GoMining doesn't actually handle, manage, or control the liquidity pools whatsoever. They are basically scraping content from PancakeSwap and displaying it in a GUI user interface for GoMining users to have easy access to adding liquidity into these pools. Okay, so if you're like me and GoMining, the token has dropped, 5 or 6 cents per token. Bitcoin is currently on a downtrend right now, sitting around 65 or 66,000 US dollars, which in all fairness, I still feel that's so amazing, right? But people are like, Bitcoin's crashing. I'm like, when I started, Bitcoin was like 42,000 US dollars. So the fact that it's still 67 or 65 is pretty phenomenal to me. But anyways, so you guys are going to see this screen. It does nothing but loading, right? So what you're going to want to do, guys, and I'm going to be posting on NFT Miner forums here. I'm hoping the gentleman that helped me in our Discord, I'm just going to open up our Discord here really quickly, and you'll find the Discord link is always right here. Okay, guys, you just say continue to Discord, and it'll bring you there. So if you have any questions with regards to what we're going to be talking about today, you come in here, click NFT Miner, you go into liquidity pools, you'll see it here, and you see that we've been discussing some of the issues with liquidity pools, and then Draco F from Freevale, the clan. Thank you, Draco. He kind of he walked me through learning PancakeSwap and learning how to control my liquidity positions without using the GoMining user interface. Because right now there could be tons of users out there that are stuck in a liquidity pool right now, out of range, and they don't know how to go close out the pool position and open a new position within the new ranges. So if that's you and you're stuck right now and you don't know how to do it, it's simple. You just come in here and we do it, okay? So we're going to be posting it in the forums, but if you come in the chat and you scroll up a little bit, okay, guys, just keep scrolling up in the chat, and I'm going to do it with you right now so that you can see. You see Draco F posted this right here, okay? This link will bring you to the PancakeSwap GoMining thing, but I think it's more important for you to actually figure out how to get there. Okay, so you're going to go to PancakeSwap.finance. It's going to bring you here. You want to go to earn, and then you're going to click farm liquidity. Okay, now in farm liquidity, you're going to come over here to the right. You're going to click add liquidity. You're going to go to version 3. Keep up with me. It's not that hard. Add liquidity version 3. Make sure you're on the BNB chain. This is so important, okay, guys? You're going to want to go here and you want to click USDT. Then on this side, you're going to want to click GoMining. It doesn't really show up, so you're going to go ahead and type it in. And here it is, okay? So now we have our version 3, BNB chain, USDT, and GoMining. We're going to click next. Here it is. This is the pool, okay, guys? A couple of things that you can do just to ensure security and safety. Number one, you can take a look at the total liquidity of the pool, the range, and you can take a look. Like you go to pool details. Let me just come down and show you. We have almost $800,000 in liquidity. You can see right here all of this, and then at this point you can connect your wallet, guys, and it's going to show me mine as well. Like I closed my 2 positions. I was stuck in the GoMining app. I couldn't close them. It was a nightmare. I didn't lose money because the liquidity bonuses that I got, about 20 GoMining tokens through the last 3 cycles, I basically broke even, which is not the desired outcome, right? You would like to dissolve your position when you're 25% out of the center of your range. I would say that's a good time to dissolve your position, unless you're seeing some type of form of like longevity, consistency. But that's not really happening much with Bitcoin and the volatility of Bitcoin itself. So we find ourselves in a position that we're always going to be opening and closing these. Okay, so when I first started, I thought that maybe it was a good idea to keep it long term, benefit more from the GoMining token LP bonus. But it turns out that if you start a cycle inactive and you end it inactive, you actually get nothing. So holding an inactive position doesn't really make sense unless you think that that value is going to come back in range right away. Okay, but in this case, it's not. Bitcoin continues to drop. All of the cryptocurrencies around Bitcoin are following that suit, and everything is dropping. Okay, so we had to close our positions. Here they are right now, 316, 407. Opened up this new position, and now we're sitting in here with our full liquidity. We're getting our fees, and we put a new range. Okay, so we're at 20. So though, if you take a look at this, guys, my range is 20. I'm going to swap this, okay, so that we can see it in GoMining. 28 cents US to 35 cents. If I go to, so the current price right now is 31 cents for a GoMining token. If that goes to 29, I'm closing my position, and I'm going to reopen one. Okay, and this is the reality. We have to pay attention to this. And here's another thing I learned too, guys. So first of all, you don't need GoMining anymore. The only reason why you'll ever go to GoMining, which in all fairness is still not working right now, they're having issues. You would go to maybe leaderboards and liquidity, and you would be interested in like seeing what your liquidity is in your leaderboards. That's pretty awesome. GoMining has done a fantastic job integrating it into the site so users can have fun with it. Right now, this is skewed data. It's not correct, and it is not even close to what is happening right now. So the message I got from the community right here, this is the message I got from VIP ambassadors. So it is clear that the liquidity pools, they are not going to be fixed for a little while. Okay, so the reality is that is broken. Okay, so you're going to have to go to the PancakeSwap.finance, and then when you get there, you do exactly what I said, guys. You go to earn, form liquidity, click add liquidity, find BNB network, make sure it's this one. Okay, make sure it's this V3LP6. Actually, that's mine. Don't make sure it's that, but make sure it's the USDT GoMining one. Okay, guys. So that's it, and then you'll be back in learning. You'll be back in the liquidity pools. You'll be back in earning your fees. You click it. You just click add liquidity version 3. You're going to go USDT. On this side, you're going to go GoMining. It actually saved it for me. Thank you. And then you're going to click next, and here it is. And if you want to see pool details, click pool details. If you want to add liquidity right here. You just simply click the button, add liquidity, okay? I wouldn't add liquidity because I would just simply add it into my pre-existing position, which is right here. I got liquidity of $236.35 US dollars. And I've already made 26 cents in fees, US dollars. So we're just going to let that ride until we get in and or out of range. Hopefully we stay there for a little while. So that's it, guys. I wanted to just do a quick video on this liquidity. I know that you are potentially out there right now in a similar position as me. GoMining user face for liquidity, simply not loading. So if that's you, this video is going to help you guys out quite a bit. Welcome to PancakeSwap. There's no username and password. you simply log in with your account and your wallet address. Okay, guys. So there's no password. You just come, click farm liquidity, click add liquidity. I'm gonna do it one more time for you guys. Version 3. You're gonna go in here, USDT. You're gonna plus. You want to do Go Mining. Then you're gonna click next. Okay, that's it. And then at this point, you connect your wallet. It's all up here in the right corner. Okay, and then it's going to show display all your values for money. I don't have any Go Mining tokens right now, apparently, or maybe I have 0 USDT. So I need a little USDT if I wanted to add more, but I'm not going to right now, guys. Then you can click your 10%, or you can do a custom range if you want, but everyone typically does 10%. And it's 1%. Yeah, so that, I mean, this is pretty easy. 1%, you can set your ranges if you want, but when you play with your custom ranges, it removes this. 10% is kind of where everyone goes. It seems to be where most of the fees are happening. But yeah, and then if you want pool detail, you just simply click pool detail. It's back one page, and it'll give you the pool detail. Make sure that you see the APR here. Make sure the total value locked in the TVL is all here. So these are things you're looking for to make sure that you really are investing in the proper, because PancakeSwap can be quite confusing. There's a lot going on. So simply stick with your earn, farm liquidity, add liquidity, find it here under version 3, find your USDT, find your Go Mining. Okay, guys, click next, and then you're going to be in a position to invest again in liquidity pools. So big thanks to Draco F from the Free Veil clan. They're in Mining Wars. So Draco has been pretty active here in our Discord, and he is very educated on mining pools, and he helped me close out my positions and create some new ones. So I thought I'd share this content for you guys. So if you're having the same issue here on Go Mining user interface, don't even worry about it. It's not a Go Mining thing, okay? Well, that is, but the pool itself and the fees and everything is actually PancakeSwap. So it has nothing to do with Go Mining outside of the fact that they created the leaderboard and they're giving liquidity bonuses to people for investing in their liquidity pools. All right, guys. So that's it. If you're new to Go Mining, please use my referral URL, guys. I am creating these videos in hopes that I can keep doing it, providing content, and you guys are benefiting from it. So please use my referral link if you're new to Go Mining. Drop a like, leave a comment. If you have any questions, check out our Discord. Going to our Discord, super easy, guys. nftminer.ca. Okay, that's where you're going to go. So that's going to bring you right here. Boom, nftminer.ca. And then from here, you're going to go Forum Hub, right-hand side. And then Forum Hub, NFT Miner Discord. You go ahead and click that. It's going to open up Discord. Just say continue to invite. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to click here, NFT Miner. To be honest, I'm not sure why it doesn't just load into the invite to server. I'll try and see if I can find like just a link to our server, guys, so that we can just like link you right into it. But that is an invite link, so if you're new. So come on in the Discord server if you need help getting out of your liquidity positions, because GoMine's doing this. Brian from NFT Miner, guys, make sure to subscribe. This is it. Liquidity in one book. Welcome to PancakeSwap. I hope this helps you guys close out your positions and create some new ones and get back to earning fees with your Go Mining activities. This is Brian signing off. nftminer.ca. Get mining with Go Mining.